out here in Denver, Colorado. 427. A lot of noise in my receive, and I just got down.
Back at DX land, 1829, Southeast Texas, trying.
912. Rhode Island, I'm going to tell you what, man, you got a really, really nice, clean station. Just about like a 122, man. I don't know how far y'all apart over there, but must be trading secrets there, Roger.
I don't get out. Nobody but 122.
How about at DX land, 1829, Southeast Texas, trying.
912. Well, you have yourself fun with them. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope everybody's healthy and be blessed around the table. We'll see you later. It'll be 303 down here in the Star.
303 is the bell. That's the old bird dog. 171 in the state of Maine with the late afternoon wave.
I'm over here in the west side of Texas. Not in El Paso, but I'm over here in the west side of El Paso. Texas. I'm 300 miles from El Paso. I'll see you.
Jump a second. Hey, Jerry, New Mexico waving right back at
1829. Yeah, 1829. I heard you were rolling up in there a couple of seconds ago. I wanted to bump it down and let you know you are rolling into Maine. Just a little bit rough, no doubt. Real busy out here. But hey, 1829, 122 Maine. Just bumping it down and letting you know.
Appreciate you coming back there, 122. How's the audio?
Oh, you got some audio. Your signal just fell back. Oh, Mother Nature just took a dip and a dive, no doubt. You were much louder. I do have the old video gate rolling. But hey, 1829, I just wanted to get in real quick and let you know you are rolling up and showing up here in the Maine. Go ahead.
Yeah, roger that. Yeah, I can tell it's going up and down.
Yeah, what I'm absolutely, your audio, you got some real good audio out there, absolutely do. Okay, 1829, I don't want to hold it. I just wanted to jump back in here and acknowledge that you are rolling into Maine, no doubt. You take care. 1829, 122 Maine, back out. Bye-bye.